Good afternoon everyone, my name's Olivia Grace and I'm here to give you a quick intro into setting up your stream on Twitch. Now, as you can see by the banner around me, this is aimed at people who are getting started for the For Planned Parenthood event taking place on March 4th, but hopefully this will enable you to set up your stream for many future years of participating in the Twitch community. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to need to get started streaming on Twitch is some streaming software. There are various alternatives out there. There's XSplit, there's OBS Classic, and my personal preference and recommendation for you is software called OBS Studio. Why do I recommend that over OBS Classic or XSplit? Well, XSplit has always, for me at least, been a heavier drain on my system's resources than OBS. OBS is completely open source, it's completely freely available, and XSplit actually has a paywall behind some of its more useful features. Where do you get it? Well, you go to obsproject.com/download, and then you can go over here and you can pick the operating system that you use, so Linux, Mac, Windows obviously, then hit the download installer button and you'll be good to go. Okay guys, welcome back. While we are downloading and installing OBS, I thought we'd take a little time out to set up our Twitch page. Now, you'll want to go to twitch.tv and make a username, password, sign up, and then you're basically going to be dropped into here, which is your channel, your twitch.tv/your username. The hash on the end is unnecessary, as we can see. But basically, this is your channel, this is where all your content is going to live. So let's take a little bit of time out to set that up as well. So first up, while we're on this page, obviously, let's add in an awesome banner. You can change your avatar here as well, whatever you want. And Erin, the wonderful Erin, has made us a super awesome banner. Now, I'm just going to actually turn off my webcam for this so that you can see the whole page while we're making all of these changes. There we go, it's gone. All right, cool. So we can upload a new image. We can drag and drop the awesome banner from Erin into here. And now we have this super cool, very bright Play for Planned Parenthood banner at the top of our page. This is our username, this is our avatar, and as you can see, this is a channel that I've set up just to be able to show you guys how to set up a channel. So down here is the title of your broadcast, and you can do things like, this is the new title of my broadcast, and I can say instead of playing World of Tanks, I'm playing World of Warcraft. And you can change all of that down there. Now, it's a good idea in general to have this correct before you start your broadcast. Sometimes it'll be the case that people refresh this and they don't actually see this information update. So it's a really good idea to make sure that you have this in place before you start. Now, below here, this is the sort of area below your screen. This is what people see when they come to your page. You have these things called panels. So panels are a really great place to put new information that isn't necessarily easy to add into your broadcast. So for example, you can create a panel that's called About Me. Now, titles are kind of the same as images. So if you don't have an image, you can put in, this is about me, and you can hit submit and turn off the edit mode. And now you can see there's a panel here saying this is about me. And you can add additional panels. Say this is about Planned Parenthood. This is about Planned Parenthood. Oops, I really can't type. Okay, submit. And then turn off the edit mode again, and now you can see that we've got two panels. Now, we're really lucky to have the wonderful Erin Ali working with us, so we have got some awesome images here. And she has made these fantastic images, and they're the right size already, so you don't even need to worry about it. And when you put the image in, I'd recommend turning off the title so that you then have, if you can hit submit, so you can see the difference here. So this has got an awesome image and some text below it. This is the old school title and the text below it. And Erin, again, see previous note about how she's awesome, has made an image for About Planned Parenthood, specifically for us. And so we can submit that in there. And this is also where you can add a donate link. So once you set up your donation settings for PayPal or whatever it is that you want to use, you can add another panel that has a donate button in it, donate to Planned Parenthood. And you want to just position that like that. Donate here to support us. Submit. And yet again, turn off the edit mode, and now you've got your three panels right here. And so then in this one, you're going to want to put a link So image links to, and this is where you'll want to put your link URL. And then you want to hit submit once you've done that, and turn off edit panels again to see them appear here. Awesome, we're doing it. We're actually setting up our stuff. Okay, so what else do we need? So this ugly black box here is you know, kind of an ugly black box. So let's get that sorted out first. So let's go into the settings, and then we're going to go channel and videos. And then we're going to say, oh yeah, hey, channel design, video player banner. Let's put a new image in here. And again, surprise, surprise, let's use one of Erin's because they're awesome. And then scroll all the way to the bottom, hit save changes. And then when we go back to our channel, it's updated. So now we've got our buttons set up, we've got our backdrop set up, our offline slate set up, and we've got our banner set up. And obviously, again, you can change this profile image if you wish to. Okay, what else do we need from in here? We've got a lot of good stuff in the dashboard. You can also say, this is the title of my broadcast here. You can change your language. You can change what you're playing. You can also watch the video preview and chat in here. Chat. This icon, this red icon indicates that you're the broadcaster. And you can also watch your video here when you're actually live. If you have the capacity to do so, some people prefer, myself included, I prefer to watch my stream here. I'm just used to this layout. I prefer that to using the stream preview in the broadcaster dashboard. But if you do watch your stream while you're streaming, which is a good idea because you can see what you're putting on the internet, then do make sure to mute it. Like, mute your stream. Streams are on a 30-second delay, so what you say will take 30 seconds to get onto the internet and be broadcast on Twitch. So it's really weird when you've got everything that you said coming back on a 30-second interval. So do remember to mute your stream. What else do you need in here? So the one important thing in here is a thing called a stream key. In order to use OBS, OBS needs this key to send your stream to the right place, basically, to your stream rather than someone else's stream. So this is something which it's not generally a good idea to show online. Definitely don't show this on your stream. Definitely don't show this in videos. I'm aware of the risks and I'm going to take steps to mitigate them. But in general, really, really, really don't show this off. And there's a really big warning here. Never share your stream key with anyone or show it on stream. Twitch staff, admins, or global moderators will never ask you for this information. Really, don't show this online. Okay, so I understand. And here's my stream key. Now, if you were planning to stream to my Sock Puppet channel, steal my stream key and my identity, I'm going to reset it. So basically get wrecked. But you do need to use this in order to set up OBS to talk to your channel. So before I even upload this video, I am going to reset this key, and I'm not going to do it on this video so you can't see it. So if this was your evil plan to destroy me, then I'm terribly sorry. Okay, so now we are going to go back to our OBS setup over here. Hello, it's me again, I'm back. So we've got that stream key on our clipboard, and we're going to go into stream, and we're going to copy it into here, and we can show it off again, but we're not going to. We can show it to just check that it's the right one. And then we can hit apply. And now when we start OBS and we start working, it's going to go to the right place. It's going to go to our stream. Okay, so